I'm sure now you want to know how to apply the microstrand and what is the maintenance. Something very, very beneficial to your client. Because the microstrand is soft, remember, the threads of the microstrand are as thin as a single human hair, as soft as a hair, but 10 times stronger. And translucent. Because of the softness, when you apply this, it'll mold to the client's head like another piece of skin. Between it molding to their client's head and you combing the hair through, you don't pull the hair through. Because the microstrand's soft with the diamond openings, you just take a comb and comb the hair right through. Between you combing the hair through and it molding to the head, it has an automatic hold. So it holds with nothing most of the way. So because of the automatic hold, the attachment I'm about to explain to you becomes secondary. So automatically it holds with nothing. And secondly, the attachment I'm about to explain to you is holding it the rest of the way. So now, let's start with the attachment. There's something called strand locking that was invented. We take a single individual microstrand and twist it around 7 or 8 of the client's hair. It's an easy lesson. We have a video that shows you exactly how to do it. But take a look at this picture. It creates what's called a ponytail on 7 or 8 hairs. So we are taking a thread as fine as a hair, twisting it around 7 or 8 of your client's hairs until it makes a little baby ponytail that looks like this. And notice how fine it is. The ponytail is completely safe because it locks onto their hair and it rides off the scalp a little bit, not causing any pressure whatsoever. We make these ponytails around the perimeter, or we teach you how to do it, to make the ponytails around the perimeter and in between, attaching the ponytails to the microstrand. When that's attached, the client can swim, shampoo, shower, skydive, do anything. The hair will stay on solid with any activity for 1 full month. After a month, the client will come back to you for what's called a resecure. All you do, and you're going to be taught this in a video, is go around the perimeter area and make new ponytails. That'll only take you an hour. You charge whatever you want. You do that on the first month, the second month. The third month is when you detach it to reattach it, the same one. And when you do that, it'll take you a little longer. So the maintenance for your client is simply coming once a month for you to reattach it. 1 month later, you're just reattaching it without removing it. Second month, reattaching without removing it. It's not to the third month that you remove it and reattach the same one. And the cycle continues like that. Now, in addition to that, there's an extended wear maintenance. Extended wear maintenance means, in addition to you making the attachment with the ponytails, we use something called a comb lock. A comb lock is not a clip. It's about as big as your pinky nail. So as an example, another microstrand, you don't see any comb locks. If I flip it, you're going to see a comb lock. It is not a clip. It's much smaller and much thinner, and they're filled with hair so they cannot be seen. You add these comb locks with the ponytail, and this is all taught to you, and now the client can secure it in between visits and therefore come to you every 2 months. So now you have 2 maintenance options for your clients. 1, to come once a month, which most of your clients will easily do. And 2, if you have any long distance clients that cannot make it every month, You do the extended wear, which is still with the ponytails and also with the comb locks. Comb locks and ponytails together makes your client able to come every 2 months instead of every month. Third option, you can also just attach it just with the comb locks. If you do it just with the comb locks, it's something that you can easily do, or you can teach your client to do. So now your client can come to you every 3 months, every 6 months, every 8 months, or it could be a long distance client that only visits you once a year. You can teach the client how to do it with the comb locks, or you can do it with the comb locks. So now you have 3 maintenance options for all of your clients. This is to help you service the widest range of clients, to help any client with any type of maintenance.